Hey, my friend.
Yeah, hello. Yeah,
Hi. So how are you?
I'm doing alright. How are you?
Okay, great. Okay, share your screen, please.
Yeah. You create the landing page with all the content, right?
Sorry.
You create the landing page and all the
Yeah,
write up, all the
yeah.
content.
Of course, of course.
Okay. So I was talking about this name chip.
Yes, yes.
So check for how to check for username.
You can share your screen.
Can you see?
Yeah, yeah. I can see. Okay.
So
You just write a domain name here.
should I put .com or .anything?
Okay. And visuals.com. Okay. Okay. It's not available right now. It's already bought from another one.
Okay. But .org is available.
uh, no need to do this. Okay.
Okay. So let's use another name.
Yes. We can select another name.
How
Yes,
about this
yes,
one?
yes. It's available. Do you want to process this domain?
But I want a website by I can be able to change the Fiverr page that it's connected to.
I got your requirement. Don't worry about that. You just select a domain name first.
So I want to be able to change it.
No need to buy from here.
Okay, I should just buy the domain name first.
Yes, we'll buy the hosting later.
That is Andrew.
Okay.
If I
Can,
use Andrew, hello, can you hear me?
yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
If I use Andre video, that means I can only use it for this Fiverr account.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, no problem. You can connect your all account.
To this domain.
Yes, yes, yes. In this domain.
Okay. They can pay for it now.
Yeah, sure. No need to purchase another service. You will get totally free.
Okay.
Others
I
service
see
you will
notice.
get totally free for 1 year. Yeah, you can place.
Okay.
You can confirm. Hey, this is really a nice plan, man.
Yeah, I just want to try it.
You
See,
will get lot of traffic from this website.
even if I get a lot of traffic, how about others? Will I get others?
I had a 3 website.
Yeah.
My maximum client knock me by this website.
And you're getting others.
It's really helpful, and I'm going to create some new website for my service, and you will get lot of orders from Google Ads. It's really helpful.
Do I have to fill out this one?
You can fill up all information, and if possible, you can stop the screen share, please.
Okay.
Client can directly order you by this website.
Okay.
And I have a plan. I'll share with you. I have to search a nice theme for you. I'll send you later. No problem.
The source for what? The source for what for me?
Okay. Thank you.
I just paid for it.
Is it done?
Yeah. Almost done. Let me confirm payment.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Maybe it's removed. Okay. We done. We done.
Okay, we're done.
Ah. Yes. Yes. We done. if I need any information, and if I need anything from you, my developer will knock you. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'll
So, uh, but I want something very professional.
of course it will professional. And I have some um, plan for this website. I'll share with you
Okay.
later. Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really professional. It's really looking too much professional. And each
Okay.
account can be
Okay.
your future. This is really nice account.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Once we're done with the landing page, then we'll do. You have people that can do Google Ads.
uh, we have to finish the website
Okay.
first.
Let's work on
Then
the
we'll
website first.
okay,
Let's,
then we'll continue. Then we'll think
okay. But
about the Google ads.
I'll do it now. I'll do it now. Once we
Okay.
get off the call. I'll do it.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. I have that job. Tap tap.
Yeah, yes, yes, it's tap tap.
I'll
Okay.
send it now for you.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
And I'll share some link with you as soon as possible. Okay,
Okay. I'll make the payments now.
I just waiting here for my developers.